guys, today I am going to be talking about story time, the period. Okay, I'm gonna talk about I'm gonna talk about teenage life, like 13 to up. So if you're 13 years old, then you will understand. If you're 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 or whatever, which would have teens underneath, I mean the last thing. So basically, the first thing is you have, I don't even know, I just start the video and I don't know nothing, but let's just think it over before I just get into this. Like morning, like when you had to go to school, college, and work, if you're 18, if you does work. So if you had to do this stuff in the morning, it'll be so tiresome to go anyway. You'll feel like so tired, like when you get up like 4 o'clock, like I usually do, because my school day, well, my school does be cold is 8:05, so I had to go before 8:05. But sometimes school 8:05, after, before, and so on. But I just get up 4 o'clock and go to get a car at 6 o'clock. But sometimes we just run late and it'll be later, like 7. But it's fine, it depends on how fast we get there. That's more better than stuff. But we bags just get searched, so we have to make sure that they're on it. But sometimes sneak things in that school, and that is very good because them doesn't actually. But I have my headphones, but I will take it away. I just put it in a bag, a clear bag, and put it away. Because if I leave it right here, they will see and they will just take it away from me. But I put it in there and put it right up there, like the shirt part right up there. Right here, which is that little thing right there. The kind of red thing on the shirt right there is why I just put it in. So guys, the next issue is that you will have is problem sleeping after you come up from work, school, whatever, yada yada yada. So when I sleeping at night, I just sleep like 10:30 something. When I sleep 11, 12, and I just be getting up 4 o'clock to go to school. But I just have my alarm, so that's why sometimes I just be waking up earlier. Sometimes I be waking up 2 o'clock or 3 or 1. So yeah. And now is the next issue. I think I have to get 5 because that was the third one. Yes, the third. So I'm gonna make 5 tips. No, not tips. 5 things. So the next one is actually when you are in the morning. Not when you get up in the morning, then you have to do stuff. You have to do your makeup, your eyebrows, your edges, your hair, your everything, and that'll be so tired. But when you go there, you'll be so tired than before. That would be so weird. But I think you should do that before your day. But the makeup and stuff come in the morning. You can't do that in the night because the makeup will probably drain the sun kind of thing. Sometimes it will come off actually, but you can do that in the morning. Right, so the fourth one is you had to carry an emergency pack, but I said it already in another video, which I will link. If it links there, then it links. So I will link it. Well, I'll put an eye on top there. And guys, so the fifth one is problems getting there. I think problems getting to work. So when you go to work, no, wait. Problems getting there. Sometimes your parents doesn't have time to drop you there. Sometimes you have to go and catch a car. Sometimes you have to ask someone. That's a problem for some of you because you will come late and you can get fired because of that. So you had to go early. Because my mom, she's work and she has to go there early. She just go there 8 o'clock, 8:30. But she used to go there 10 o'clock. But they changed it. I don't know why. They changed it because they are foolish. My mom needs to get sleep. I need to get sleep. Everybody needs to get sleep in the world. But they have to go to work too the same way. Okay, but I have the next one or something. So if you want to get organized, this is how to get organized in the morning. Put your phone on an alarm clock. If you had to go at work, if you had to go at work at 7, if you gotta go work at 7 or 8:30 or 9, you had to. Okay, let me tell you from 8 o'clock. Get up, eat. No. If you had to go to 7:30, right? No, if you had to go to 8, you gotta get up 4 o'clock. Well, I just get it 4:30, but some of you, if you want to get up 4 o'clock, then you have to put on the alarm, then put your clothes right there beside your bed. Or if you have a closet, you can separate your original, like your rest of clothes with the clothes you're gonna put on, and you can pack your bags and everything. Pack your bag and get your shoes, which part you want it to be, and know which it, and then get your makeup and stuff stacked already on your dresser, which is over there. My dresser is right over there, but right over there or something, if you have it right over there. But take it out and rest it right in front of you, so when you get up, and then you will be ready to go, because you have to sleep, right? And make sure they turn off the light, because some people will sort of like when they're sleeping, but I never usually used to that. My life can dim down like this. I can just turn it down and I just put it any kind of thing I want it to be, but that is it. And if you have AC, don't put it too much on. Don't put it on planning. Just put it on like 15. If it's too high for you, just put it on like 10 or something, if you're not a cold person. Okay, so guys, that's the last tip. So this is 6. I basically said it's supposed to be 5 of them, but no, it's 6. So guys, if you like and subscribe, hit that post notification bell, which will be down below. And I said this already, but it's fine. And peace out, period. So make sure to remember about tomorrow, what I'm gonna do tomorrow. So today is like Sunday, not Sunday. Today is like Saturday, but I thought today was Sunday, but and then school and whatever, I don't know, whatever. But today is Saturday. So guys, tomorrow